Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to take a screenshot on a Mac without installing any app. So here I am recording using my smartphone because for this tutorial, we will use QuickTime Player, which I already use for screen recording. So in order to show you how to take a screenshot, a photo screenshot of your screen or of your mobile MacBook screen, I will open QuickTime Player like this. Cancel. Now that the QuickTime Player is opened. Here, if you don't see it here in the Docker, simply search for it here. So I will close it from here, and here look for this search. Click on it, search for Quick, and you will see it here. Double click it, and it will open here. Now that the QuickTime Player is opened, let's here click on it, on the QuickTime Player icon using the right button of your mouse and select New Screen Recording. This nothing will show up on the top, but here look closely, you will see those menu. As you see here, you can take you can capture on the entire screen, or you can take a screenshot of the entire screen. You can take a screenshot of selected window or the just a selected portion. So let's start with the entire screen. I will click on it. So select which option of those three, and here click on capture. As you see, a new photo is captured. My screenshot is captured. Now, if you don't know where this screenshot is captured, it's simple. You can try to close it. If you want to save it, just try to close this screenshot, and here you will see, do you want to keep this new screenshot? So give it a name, and you can select where to save it and also the format. Click on save and save this screenshot. In my case, I will delete it. Okay, now let's see how to edit where your screenshot will be saved. So same thing, new screen recording, and here this time I will capture only a selected window. So I will select it like this, and you can see this this icon, this camera icon. You can select which window to capture. As you see, as I pass it on Windows, it detects them. Now, before capturing this selected window, let's go to Options, and here select Save to. You can save your taken screenshots to desktop, documents, clipboard, mails, messages, or other locations. So here I will select the download folder and hit Choose. So okay, now this I will click on this selected window, and I hear a screenshot sound in my ears. As you see, the photo is the screenshot is taken, and it was automatically added in the download folder. And this is the photo, and this is the screenshot. As you see, it is a well selected window screenshot. Now let's take a screenshot of just a selected portion. Now you can start customizing or editing this selection. For example, I want to capture this top part like this. Now click on capture, and the screenshot is saved. Now let's close the screenshot, and same thing, you can select where to save it. its name and also the image format. And this is how to take screenshots on a Mac without installing any app. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.